Good evening and welcome to the end of day review for today. And today is Friday, November the 1st, 2024. So it's the first trading day of the month November and the last trading day of this week. So this week we have overlap between October and November. Only one day overlap, which is today, Friday. So we closed out yesterday with a huge sell-off. I follow, Wednesday. So today, and then today, Friday, it's a non-farm payroll. And the number released is not good. The economy is not adding number of jobs as expected. It far less than expected. But somehow it rallied. You have a Judah swing at 9:30, and then it's reverse retracement turned into reversal. At 10:30 right there. By the way, we are in week 44, and today Friday we close this 44. Next week we're 45 right there, and 7 more weeks we close out. Then the employment number come out 8:30, and then 10 we have SCM index. Let's see, look in the chart to see any impact at 10. Yeah, we have a sell up at 10:30 right after that. Boom, hit the high temper and then it reversed. But anyhow, let's see. Yeah, so we close out this week right here is the 44 week, and next week will be 45, and next week we're looking for the Fed meeting. Very surprised. Normally it's gonna be right after CPI, but this one is before CPI. Very interesting. So November 6 and 7. 6 and 7 right here. So the midweek right there, Wednesday and Thursday. So expect firework and a lot of liquidity injection, and then we have a huge move on Friday. That's right. And after that, we're gonna have a CPI data on the 13th. Is that right? CPI data. Yeah, November 13th right there. CPI data. All right, that's our economic calendar preview right there. All right, let's look at the charts for today. Well, one thing we noted that today the price action moved very smooth. So it's a low resistance liquidity run for today. I mean, similar like yesterday, I guess. It's not really it very move very clean, very smooth. So it's called low resistance liquidity run. That's the ICT term right there. But on the way back, when it reversed, it kind of very high resistance right there. You see that a lot of weak down there. It tells you that it's gonna come down. Very interesting move. And today you see that there are Judah swing right here. You see that Judah swing at 9:30 to 10, and 10:30 is reverse. But after they hit high time frame level, liquidity level, then it's reverse. And let's see, ICT have Judah swing at 9:30. Yeah, this for regular trading hour. The one we just showed is a electronic. Let's look at the regular trading hour. You see anything user swing right there. Okay. Yeah, a hit time frame level, a high time frame rate that right there, but it did not check out. Yeah, it did not check out. Oh yeah. So the PM. Let's see what ICT say right here. Regular trading hour mark the high and low of the PM range. One side, okay. So the PM, yeah, it's right down here. Okay, so user swing we check out the low and reverse, or take out the highs. Yeah, it looked like a user swing, but in this case, it's different than what ICT say right there. But anyway, look for it's a user swing in 930 and in reverse right there. Another setup. It not least in here, and in here it look a little bit different. Yeah. Do we have? Yeah, we have a open gap today, I guess. Yeah, we do. Yeah, we do have a gap for today. So the gap come down. Yeah, and reverse. Okay, it did take out the PM. Yeah. If we look on the 15 minutes regulatory, you see the gap up right there, and it continue to go up, and then it come back right there at 8:30. What hadn't filled now this gap, so let's see. Let's see if next week Monday you're gonna fill that gap. Yeah, I think next week you remember we have a model. We build up a model that gap fill next day, right? We do see that phenomenal one that happened on October 29. Gap fill next day. Is that this one? Hold on. All right, we have it. We have it right there. We have our right up. So gap fill next day. You see that? 29 on Tuesday. Yeah, this is a void gap, by the way. Void gap, that means that it just jump. Even though with the electronic trading hour, there's no transaction right there. It's just void. It's jump. On Monday right there, you see the Monday, and then Tuesday it's refill the gap, and then boom. It reverse. So the gap create on Monday, it fill on Tuesday, and it reverse. So that's okay right there. You see that? That's the Monday, and that's it's the Tuesday. So October 29. Yeah. If fill the gap, then you know what? It reversed back up. Yes, and it's set up for a huge short on Wednesday and Thursday. Yeah, so let's see this gonna play out. Play out on Friday. You see the gap right there. The gap up on Monday. It did not fill. It way it fill on it come down and it fill on Tuesday, right? It is regular trading hour. See that? So that gap right there. See the Judah swing right here at 9:30. But remember, this is a very what? This is a very high resistance liquidity run. Just remember that we did put a note in here. Did we see a note? Yeah, this is a very high resistance liquidity run on Tuesday. We remember that. When you see that when you see the high resistance liquidity run, you know that it's not gonna reversal. But if you see the swing so smooth to the upside, like today, right? So smooth, 9:30, and then 10:30 trough. So that's a signal for you to know that it's gonna reverse. But today is a lot of use case for today. Today we see a lot of things for today. Right here we see another pattern right here. So basically you see that this is expansion move, right? You see that at 8:30 when they released the non-farm payroll, expansion, all right? But actually it flipped. It's supposed to be what? You have expansion, and right here gonna be retracement and reversal right here. But it make another expansion move, and then a retracement, and then actually at 9:30 it do the same thing like it did on 8:30. It flipped from right here retracement, right? This is gonna turn into a reversal, but it flipped. It end the retracement right here and make another expansion move right there. And then basically you have expansion, right? Retracement, expansion, retracement, expansion. So the question for it right here, and then this guy make a what? A retracement right here. So the question for us is this retracement. No, before we see that, right? Yeah. Let walk the tape right there, so we can. Let's watch the recording. Yeah, here's the recording we run today. All right, let's fast forward, make it increase the speed so it move faster. So let's see, 8:30. You see that? Boom. Yeah, so it flipped right there. You see that? Right here is retracement and it gives us expansion. Right, it did take out London. Right, and then it looked like right here gonna what? You make a retracement. Or it reversal from here. Right, expansion, reversal, or retracement. But the flip, you see that? It flips, so it make the expansion move. Yeah, but the expansion move is not huge at all. Yeah, at one time we thought they're gonna flip back, but look, the magic happened right here. Okay, at this moment we thought, wow, maybe this one is the last, expansion. So it's an expansion, and then it's what? It hit the high time frame record, and then it's gonna be a reversal, right? Either reversal or retracement. It's not gonna consolidation right here. That's the logic right there. And right here you see the PM, the New York PM high right there is still not taking out yet. So it looked like gonna be a retracement. Okay, so hold on right here. Yeah, we'll keep moving. Okay. You see the flip of 930 right there? Yeah. See, it thought it come down right there, but it flips. Basically, this retracement is done, and now it's not gonna become or turn into a reversal right here. If we look at the charts, we can see very clear. The market give us some signal right there. So basically, you see right there, test from above right there. 1, 2. This one's supposed to break it, but it flipped from break it. And another in mind that remember this guy is open above. Open above the close of the candle. It told you that it's gonna flip. Yes, that's how we know that it open above. It tell you it's gonna flip right there. Yeah, could be bit right here. It open below, so it's still flip right there. Oh, but this one is below this level. Yes. But anyway, we see 930 is flip. Boom. So basically, you have expansion, retracement, and we know for sure they're gonna be expansion. Yeah, huge expansion. You know what? We did not anticipate that. We did take a long trade right here, and we took target right here only. We didn't know that we did not anticipate or expect that it's gonna hit the high time level. But when we look at the high time frame, the daily, it makes sense that hit that level with this Judah swing at 930 right there. It did hit that level. Let's see. I think we do have. Yeah, if you look on the daily time frame, you can see that it did hit that level right there. This is the low of last week, and this week it break that low, and then it tests the level again. Yep. All right, for the so basically today we see a lot of use case. So Judah swing at 930, and then reversal or retracement at 1030 turn to a reversal right there. Another use case we see for today is this phenomenon. We see that. All right, we see this phenomenon. All right, we see this phenomenon. We see this pattern. Okay, so this is this one? No, not. Yeah, but before we go to detail that, let's go look at this. Yeah, we try to generalize this idea, right? We took this. You see that for today, right? You see that the Wednesday is Dow close, and Thursday is a follow through day. And look at how this candle on Thursday is closed. It closed very lean. That's the reason why we call it clean closer candle right there. It closed very clean. There's no. Look, there's basically no bottom wick right there. The bottom wick tells us that it may go down. It interests in going down, or it's back to going down. But whenever we see it's very clean close right there, then anticipating that the next day it's gonna reverse. In this case today, it just reversed half of in the morning only. But if we anticipate, we can we can catch the move right there. We don't have to catch a big move in the morning. Then we should be good. We should have a good run right there. The same idea that we try to look in a chart daily. We saw there was some kind of pattern right there. You see that? Whenever you see a candle very close, right? I mean, it's very clean closing, then anticipate next day gonna reverse. Yeah. So we see that on October 14, and we see that on October 4, a lot of that in October. And then we see one in September, right? Very low closing, and next day it reverse. Similar right here, this one is on July 31st, which is a Wednesday. The W stands for Wednesday, and July 10 it also stands for Wednesday right there. And Friday, yeah, this happened on Friday. Then the next trading day will be the Monday, the following Monday. So far we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 instant, and 2 of them is happen on Friday. The rest is 2 from Friday and 2 of them on Wednesday. So it not really stand out any day of the week, but it also depend on liquidity. We see the the overall structure right here. So basically right here is the next leg down, and right here is a expansion retracement, and then right here you can make expansion move. Yeah, so this one is right after the expansion move. Yeah, basically right after the expansion move. All of them happen after the expansion move. You can say that. Yeah, so that's the anticipate. If we see a very clean closed candle, then anticipate the next day how is you see how next day how it's reversed. By the way, we discover this phenomenon, this setup or the pattern. We still study, but just by accident today. I mean, specifically for on the evening, we try to take the trade in the overnight market. We say, wow, this guy is very clean. We didn't know that. We just have a gut feeling, and we did took the trade in the overnight market, and it worked out perfect for us. The second try, right? We tried twice. So here's the idea right here. So right here we thought, okay, right here we see the expansion, retracement, expansion. So we're thinking that wow, it's already finished, right? The momentum to the Dow, it finished, so it's gonna reverse from here. So that's the reason why around 2045, which is 8:45 yesterday evening, we going and let the trade run overnight, and we put our stop loss below the open right there at 18 right there. But then later on, before we go sleep, we check out. We saw that we got kicked out. So we got kicked out because the stop loss got hit right there, moved below that. Then we go in, we go long again, because you see right here, the magic right there. Let's look at the charts. You see that right here? That's the moment. Okay, so you see that as soon as it breaks down the low of this candle, which is the opening 18 hour, it reversed back right away. And look carefully, you see that it did take rate. It rate the low of this candle, which is a sell side, and this guy also do one more time. So you have a double rate liquidity right there. I think we did take a note on that. Yeah, I think we put in there. I'll write up. Yeah, right here. Basically, you have a double rate liquidity right there. So it's another element that gives us a confluence or high, probability setup right there. So that's which will go long, and you're gonna see that we aim where we aim. We aim at 68. All right, and in the morning when we wake up, right, we take research at 8:15. Wake up before 8:30, which is the data release. We around lit level, so 62, only 6 points from hit our target, right, at 68 right there. But you know what? When the 9:30, the 8:30 very fluctuate, so we close the trade. We get a little bit nervous because we don't know direction. If when they release the non-farm payroll, it kind of scares, or we get chicken. If we stay in the trade, we will have a huge run right there. We reach our targets, it more than hits our target. You see right here, right? And it hit 68. We're at our 68 level. I think is this one. 68 level. Yeah, we see it later right here. It hit right away at 8:30, because at 8:30 it flip, right? It's go down here. We're like a bit nervous, so we get out of the trade. And as soon as we get out, it flip back, it hit the target right there. So that is the trick key right there. If we don't babysit our trade, I mean that's the trade-off. That's the beauty of trading overnight, because we just let it run. We don't babysit or micromanage our trade, so let it run, it hit the target. But as soon as we sit in front of computer and we babysit our trade, whenever it go against us, we get nervous, we get out. So that's one of the things the challenge that we need to improve. Yeah, so we did check, when the 8:30 data release, we just take off the trade. I think we do have a recall in the morning. Yeah, here's the recall we have. You see right there, we go in right there. Yeah. So at that moment we had a profit 11. We should get out, but you know what? So 7. So when the 9:30 coming, wow, we get nervous. So we exit the trade. Yeah, we exit the trade. Yeah, we check the profit right there. Oh, 10,000. Yeah, 10,000. We got a trade before, we lost 3,000 or 10,000. Yeah. Oh, 9,000 right there. You see that? But it will let it run. It will hit our target. You see that? The minute we get out, it flip back and hit our target 64 first, and then it go up. Oh, 68. You see that? So if we sit through only 3 more minutes, yeah, that's the beauty right there. We have to sit through the fluctuation right here, or the volatility right there, because we get out of trade. You see that? Looks so scary. Oh man, you see that? Looks so scary. That's where we get out. But if we take risks and we hit our target, beautiful right there. Yep. So we tried 2 times in a row. We trade overnight, and we can see that it worked perfectly, right? Because the day before we trade also overnight. Basically, we let it run, and sometimes that way work better than we micromanage. Yeah, here's the trade overnight we do on Thursday. Right there, the idea that if we break down the level, we show them, because we know that On high time frame, we saw the setup on high time frame, which is right here at you see that it tested level, so it will break it. That's the one we see on Thursday right there. It tests the weekly level at 58.30. We call a code right there. For the weekly, we color it's like pink color right there, and for the daily, we color the blue. So how to identify color? So you see that it tests from above 1, 2, and this guy touches again, it will break it. That's why we put a sell stop at 58.30. Yeah, exactly. You see that? We put a sell top and we go sleep. We go sleep, and you see that? Yeah, we got our order get filled right there. So we reach 1,500 right there. It's like an R, and we aim for 3R right there. And it turned out it's a huge run. It will let it run. It will have a 4 more R right here. So it did run, but right there it did hit right there. You see that it keep and it hit this level, the 58.08 right there. So about 30 point right there is about almost 10 R right there. Yeah. But we did make mistake on yesterday. I think we did say on the review, because we thought that overnight it's already hit the target right here, so maybe it's gonna be consolidated around the area, but it did not. It's retracement after London, it retracement, and then it make a huge leg down. That's it. The lesson we learn. Never underestimate how low the market gonna go or how high it's gonna go. You don't know. Just remove that bias and look at the setup right here and follow the signal from the markets and short right here. We can catch a huge move out there. Alright, so that's the idea that for today. We see the idea that whenever we see a very clean closing clean closer candle, then anticipate a reversal next day. The whole day is gonna reversal, or it's just reversal in the morning only in the PM itself. For today, it's just reversal in the morning only, and then it retrace back in the PM. But the idea is the same. Whenever you see a very clean closer candle, then anticipate at least the following morning it will be retraced or reversal right there, and we can catch the huge move, and we did last night. And in the IM also, in the IM we did do the trade right here. We did go in right here. Let's look at that trade. You see that we go in right there. Did we add more? Oh yeah. So right here we going low below here. We add 10 more contract and we get out. We get out when this candle is. We thought it's gonna flip, so we get out early and we let the last contract hit the target. Let's see if it hits the target. Yes, it hit the target. Right here, it hit very fast. So basically, we let the last contract run to the target.
Order
you
filled.
See that? But if we let it run, it could be the huge. It go all the way to 58.01. Yeah, look, it's amazing right there. And like we mentioned before, right here, the reason why we go long right here because it's the expansion, right? You want to see its reversal right away, right? It's gonna be reverse huge. If there's no reversal from here, then definitely it's gonna be a retracement. Yeah, it will never be a consolidation, neither. Because you see right here, it does so. And right here, a flip is supposed to be a retrace, accuses reversal, but 930 flip, then that means that get ready for the next expensive move. That's exactly happened. I think we did take a note right here, our thought process. Is that, hold on. I think we opened the wrong one. Let's go to the one that we did today. Our thought process is, all right, not this one. Yeah, here's our thought process, right? So we see the reversal right here. That's the reversal. And then the retracement, and then you have expansion, and you have a little bit, retracement right here, and then expansion, and then right here after this expansion at 830, then we have three possibilities right here. You're gonna have a retracement, or maybe turn to reversal. That's maybe will be a no. The consolidation it will not have a consolidation right here, right? It will not, because we don't see it go into consolidation. And the reason why the first thought right here, retracement, yes, it's the retracement. And the next question for us is it turned into reversal? Maybe. How do we know? How do we know that it's not? Then we look at the 930. It failed to break the 57.60. You did try 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, it failed to break level. Actually 3, right? 3 times, not 2. I think we mixed count here. But anyway, you have what? Test from above 1, 2, 3, right? Break. Test from above 1, 2. This one's supposed to break it. If one break it, it turned to a reversal right there. But if fell, then there will be no reversal. Then we can go in and go long, because it will make a non-expansion move, and we see the huge liquidity up here from the yesterday. So it make the expansion move right there. That's the expansion neck leg up right there. So that's our thought process. How the liquidity run, or how draw on liquidity, or the direction bias right there for the PM. For the AM section today. By the way, go back to the trade we took overnight. Today. So, okay, the idea is right here. It's just the first time we trade, so we're a little bit clumsy on the entry. We go a little bit too early, and we got kicked out. We have to go in again. You see, we go early, right? We go early right here. Right here, we go at this level, right? We go early, so we got kicked out, and then we get in right here again. But after review, we come up with this idea next time. So basically, we're gonna put a buy stop right here at the low of this. That's our improve entry for next time right there. Yep. So that's the improvement we want to. I think we do. Oh God. Yeah, that's 1.1 trade. We point out real quick. And all right, we did took a trade right here. Beautiful trade right here. Right here. You see that? this is our bread and butter setup, which is type 1 reversal right there at 10:30. At actually it's at 11:30. At 10:30, they already tell us that it is retracement right there, huge down move after they hit high time frame level. You see that? So the retracement, the first leg at 9:30, and retracement gonna turn into or become reversal, which it make a second leg down at 9:30 right there. And a beautiful setup right there. Break, test from above, and reverse. That is our bread and butter setup. Yeah, we always come back to our setup right here, reversal type 1 right there. So we have two type of reversal, which basically is 4 breakout, right? 4 breakout is mean reversal. And we have two type right here. So for today, or for the setup, for this setup, we just focus on a type 1 right there. In this case, is a short setup, which is right there. Break, tap from above, and reverse. And beautiful timing right there. 11:30. After the first 10:30, the first leg down, it takes an hour to build liquidity. You see that? How it build beautiful liquidity right there. 1, 2, 3. It take an hour or 45 minutes. If you count 3 candles, then it's 45 minutes right there. 1, 2, 3, boom. And the market tell you. Market tell us right there. It tell us, you see the long bottom wick right here, long bottom wick, or long wick at the bottom. 3 of them in the row. It tells you that it's gonna come down. And look at the last guy right there. Test from above, boom, reverse. You couldn't ask for better than setup than today. I mean, it's so beautiful. We did took that trade. Let's look how we execute the trade. All right, we see that we took that trade. Oh man, look at that. We took that trade, and we take a big side right away because we're very confident with our setup. But you know what? We always aim for this. We aim for very low hanging fruits, which is the lower key candle. You know why? Because we go in very big one at the beginning, and the second reason that we look at our profit, we did make a huge profits. Then we have a very just a human feeling, tendency right there, right? When you have a profit, you want to keep them, and at the same time you see opportunity there, you don't want to miss it, but at the same time you don't want to give back. So it's very tough right there. We still try to understand our emotion and how we can manage them better, but at that moment we're not thinking about anything else. In the future, just forgot about anything else. We had to reset our mind. Don't look at the profits, but look at the setup. It scream at us that don't aim right here. You can aim all the way here, or at this level, 81 right there. You see that the Dow close candle, the wick touch that bottom. Test that level. It will break it. It tests 1, 2 times right there. So the whole thing move right here is just a setup for the next leg down. But the reason why we aim low and we get a little bit nervous, that's the 2 reasons. We're just sharing right there. We just try to internalize why we make that decision, because the emotion it really impact us. And the emotion is come from when we look at the profits and loss. It really drives us crazy. It really impact our decision making process right there. This stuff is much easier said than done. We have to take time to practice, take time to build a very agile mentality right here, or psychological right here, skills. But anyway, here's right. We get nervous, right? You go back, you go again us, and what? It's just 5 minutes into this candle. We should let it work out. So we get so nervous, and look, see it back and forth, and we get scared. We close the trade. Yeah, we close the trade. Go back. We're thinking about close, and then it go back again. You see that? We close the trade. Can you believe that? Oh man, it not even hit our break even. Yes, but we get so nervous. All right, so it's 10 minutes into the trade, only last 5 minutes, and that way working last 5 minutes. Look, and you see that? Wow. And we feel kind of, regret. Wow, we should stay in a trade. But anyway, yeah, you see that it come down. Yeah, you see that where it hit our target right there. Yes, you see that if we stay in a trade, it hit our target right there. Then we get 3,000 right there. Yes, so when we see it break down, we say, wow, now we feel like we can afford to mix out a trade because we chicken out, we get out. Now we really feel bad it come out and hit the level. That's the reason why you see that we come out, go with side one. So we learn our lesson. Next time, go with side one when you go in right here. So it will be less nervous to chicken out. Right, easy for us right there. So yes, that's the lesson we learned right there. And you see that, and when it's about to go down, hit a target, we say, wait a minute, let's follow the momentum. It can hit it. There's no way that it just retrace from here. It can hit this. So we add the side 10 in there, and it hit the target beautifully. Yes, that's the trade. A beautiful setup. But if we you see, as soon as it hit the target, it retrace back right there. But if we look at the chart, we see that, it hit the target. And if we seek through this volatility, it can make another expansion down right there. All right, we show you one more bad trade we make. It's a bad trade. We should not do that, but anyway, when we make the bad trade, we learn. We make mistake, we learn. So, talk about process. So if you make bad trade right here, and we couldn't blame ourselves either. I mean, we only blame because right here. All right, we go in with one side. That's fine, perfect. What's up? We see right here. We see the break test from below and reverse, right? Perfect. But look, if we look carefully, it will not be a good, even though it fall into our setup. Right here, right? Our setup right here. The for breakout reversal type 1 right there. You see break test from below and reverse. Perfect, right? Exactly. According to our textbook right there. But if you look carefully, the location right here is not much liquidity for it to reverse. And also it's late in the game, Friday. The huge move already make right here, so it will not really move much right here. It's a consolidation around here. Don't fall into this trap. So we learn a huge lesson from here. That's the first lesson we learn in, the location is not good, and also right here. Make a second mistake right here. We increase the size. Can you believe that? Because we thought they're gonna hit this level. Yeah, we thought they're gonna hit the level, and it was like too soon, too early. Eventually, it will hit that level, 72, 75. Right? If you look at the chart, Yeah, it hit that level, 73 right there. It hit that level, but you have to stick through here and here. Eventually, it hit that level right there. But the sign, the big sign, really impact our psychological right there. Psychology. Yeah, and it go back again us, and you see that. Or we thinking, well, we will put right here another target right here, but it just we thought that okay, the trade gonna come in our favor, but it flipped back again. Ow! It's so hurt. You see that? It hit our targets. Yeah. You see? So we learned the huge lesson right here. The setup at that moment looked good, but we have to look at the location and also the time also, right? The time, if we not have enough time from here to reverse all of this move. Yes, so don't engage. If you want to engage, then just do one contract to see how it's play out. Okay, so right here, all right. I mean that's the game right there. Okay, so and then I think we did go in again. Okay, now it's perfect, right? Now it tests above below twice at the level 68 right there, and now you see the same setup, right? Test from below. In this case, it tests twice, so this reverse must be explosive. Well, but have to keep in mind where is the location, where is the time. If this happened around 10:30, then boom, you know that. Or at 9:30, then you know that it's gonna be explosive. But it's the end of the day and Friday, or the big move they make, so it will not make much move. So always to be aware of the location and the time. So we increase the size again. I mean that's another mistake because we want to get back the trade that we just lost, right? That's another challenge. We need to reset our mind. Every trade we take is a brand new trade. Forgot about a trade before that. Otherwise, really influence our decision making. All right. If we forgot about the trade we take, we will stay in here, and eventually it will hit the target. You see that we get nervous. Then right here, it barely move at all. It's very strange. Yeah, it's strange because you forgot to remember right here to be aware that here's the location and the time. If you were looking at some, you never take this kind of very low quality setup. See that? We get nervous, so we close the trade. But eventually it hit our target. You see that? It hit right there. For this, it's gonna go hit that 72. Eventually it hit right there. But you know, we cannot stick through that. Get nervous. Because we don't want to lose again. Yeah, it's so much fun right there. But anyway, thank you for your time and interest. I think that's it for today. Grateful for this opportunity. We do what we love, then success is coming our way, day by day, little by little. We're getting better and better. Have a great night and see you next week.